Thanks so much for joining us today. This is a snapshot review of Spinistry's inaugural FreeWheel Bash at 4R Ranch cross-country mountain bike race. This video itself will be made up of a combination of dashcam footage from the ranch entrance to our race staging area, as well as some still photos of the racers throughout the day, including podium shots. 4R Ranch is an amazing piece of property about 90 minutes north of Dallas-Fort Worth between Muenster and St. Jo, Texas. It is in the heart of what they refer to as the North Texas Hill Country. The Ropers operate a full winery with a unique tasting room on site. The land is also utilized for cattle grazing, a hunting lease, as well as a large wind farm that utilizes portions of the property. Most importantly for us, they have been diligently incorporating miles of mountain bike trail over the past few years, and they have plans to actively be adding more trail continuously going forward. Our race loop was 10 miles long with about 1,000 feet of climbing per lap. Each lap consisted primarily of rolling contour single track through wooded sections along the valley ridges. There were a few pasture and field sections which connected the valleys and ridges used for the course. Each lap featured two extended climbs, which typically aren't available on North Texas trails. The climbs, however, did reward racers with some fast and swoopy descents as well. Race categories included 1, 2, and 3 lap options, with awards based on age and gender. We did also offer a single speed option, but there weren't very many takers for that one. The weather started out very comfortably, with temperatures in the low 70s, overcast skies, and a steady breeze. By late morning, the sun broke through and temperatures rose almost as quickly as the humidity. Like we say, weather is always a factor. Racers took full advantage of the shaded staging facilities for barbecue and cold drink after party, as well as our award ceremonies. We are looking very forward to coming back for this one in 2023. We hope you will be kind enough to join us. Do go ahead and take the opportunity between now and then to head to 4R Ranch yourself to check out the trail and try out some real climbing and some fantastic wines and camping.